What do you think of that, Hurley? What do you think of that? I'm gonna make some breakfast for my people. It's Saturday morning. My kitchen's a mess. Maybe I should be filming a cleaning video. We're gonna make breakfast amongst the mess. Just don't judge me, okay? My griddle is clean, and that's all that matters. Firstly, I'm just putting some hash brown patties in my air fryer.
I'm making like tail too.
Really?
Yeah. I know it's like
Probably gonna take like 15 minutes. I'm making some pancakes. My 5-year-old's excited about more snow.
Out today, Mom?
Sure, you can go out today.
You love
Some
me
water.
out today? Eat quickly.
My mom's making pancakes for everybody.
But I want to make mine.
We're not gonna warm up ones out of the freezer this morning. Mom's making, we'll save those for school mornings. I'm gonna whisk this up.
I really want to start my hockey.
I know you do.
So excited. Eat. Off in the game.
I'm gonna grab my crock pot to keep these warm till they're all done. Is there a P?
No.
T.
Yes. Uh-oh. Oh. Mom, 3, 2, 1. Are you excited?
Cutting up some already fully cooked bacon, and then I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs on here and put the bacon in there. This is a breakfast scrambled egg mix.
Good idea. Wait, Mom.
I wish this girdle like went across my whole stove like a black stone. That would be super cool. I'm gonna add a little more egg. Alright, here's our eggs. I'm gonna put them in this pot. My kids set the table so we can all have breakfast together. I kind of tidied up the kitchen while I was cooking breakfast too. You didn't see that part. Orange strawberry banana juice. Just want a little bit. And there's breakfast. You guys do ketchup on your eggs? Because we're definitely a ketchup on our eggs kind of people. And I like my hash browns with my eggs.